Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue with your TikTok account, or for some reason, even after updating TikTok, you are still having issues with this specific application. Now, the main reason why this ends up happening is mostly because maybe you were having a great experience within TikTok, but now when you updated the application, it's now working properly, different things like that. And the main reason why this happens is because every single update within any application that updates their actual software, there's going to be random issues regardless. So if you're scrolling through here and you find a ton of issues within the application now, well, if you updated it, that's probably why. Maybe it was a faulty update, maybe it was a bad update, and all you have to do now is probably wait until TikTok fixes the problem. Now, there's some other ways you can go and kind of go around this. So I'd recommend doing first is finding the TikTok application. So go ahead and holding it down just like so, and you can try deleting the application and reinstalling it. Sometimes if you go on and click remove app and you go on, actually delete application here, sometimes there can be some issues where you went ahead and had a great experience with this app, but then you update and it's wrong. So you'll have to go ahead and delete it, reinstall it, and that could end up fixing the situation. Again, it's not quite a guarantee, but it is one of those things you can go ahead and do to fix that specific situation. Now, on top of that, another thing you can do is to just check as quickly as possible to see if TikTok is actually down. So what you can do here is you can click on your Safari browser, Internet browser, Chrome, whatever it is. You want to go ahead and type in downdetector.com just like this. And what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and see if TikTok's on this website. Now you can see I kind of showed it earlier. They're probably, TikTok was all the way at the bottom, so it wasn't even near the top at all. So you can see TikTok right here. All you will really want to do is go ahead and see if TikTok is one of the first ones that come up. If it is one of the first ones, then you're pretty much good to go. There's probably not an issue with it. But if you go on this website and for some reason there's nothing on it, like TikTok is not here at all, well, that probably is one of the reasons why TikTok is down, is because it maybe just has gotten down and it probably hasn't showed you yet. Now, on top of that, if that's still not working, another thing I'd recommend doing is restarting your phone, checking your internet connection, and probably, like I mentioned before, reinstalling TikTok. That's probably one of the main things you can do. And that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.